8 minutes, sir. 8 minutes. Now, I think we can divide in two, three ways. One person can talk one to one, and I'll be focusing on group gatherings. Because recently we had a 200 youth meeting. So I would like to focus more on group gatherings, and you can focus
I
on
am saying
individual
not
talks.
only focusing on the group gathering, that
Hmm.
group gathering should get converted into the members and Chandraguptas. So you have to brief, you have to carry 4 5 people with you, maybe from your office. They can carry the different mobile number. Ask the people after addressing them, after explaining that please Johanna SMS on this number
Hmm.
that I am so and so, whether I would like to be Sapatkrit Chandragupta or Sadasya or Bichara Deen Sadasya, whatever way, right?
Hmm.
The person who will be receiving that SMS, he will be having the copy of your profile link. So he will
Hmm.
just paste it on the message he will be receiving. And in the
Hmm.
same hall, that app would be downloaded and they will
Hmm.
become the member and they can start the journey of the Chandragupta or Sadasya because we don't have the time.
Hmm.
Whosoever is made Chandragupta or Sadasya as per their own decision, you are not making them. They are deciding what is good for them. Do you agree with me?
Correct. Correct.
So, but that make it happen. If you just go and take the gathering, I will not be benefited. It will be thoroughly useless. But if
Hmm.
you are, say, if there's a gathering of the 200 people, can one person handle the SMS of the 200 people? No. So
Hmm.
there could be 4 and 5 people. You can just publish their number, request them, okay, please give your SMS, your name, and whether you want to be member, whether you want to be Chandragupta or you want to be a member under consideration. Give even that
Hmm.
option also. Take your
Hmm.
time to decide. Now, your person who is receiving that SMS, he has just to copy your link or you have to share your link with him. He will copy your link and will paste it on all messages. Then the next minute you can request them that you have already received. How many of you have not received? So if that anyone has not received, you can he might not have sent you SMS, so you will get that detail also. So he can then send the SMS and you can share the link. So everybody would be connected within a minute. And as per their pledge, since we are having the 10th May as our voting date, we don't have the time. And imagine a situation and within 20, 30 days, if we can make this miracle in Karnataka, then we will be making this miracle in all the states and in the center. Nobody will be winning across the country. सभी राजनीतिक पार्टियों के सभी राजनेता पराजित होंगे. All
Hmm.
people from all political parties, they will be defeated. Only Chandragupta would be winning, and that too without spending a single penny, without taking recourse to Dharna petition, without taking recourse to Dharna, without Zulus, without putting any hoarding, this and that. No expenditure at all. Am I right or not?
Hmm.
So even when you are conducting group meeting, then you have to carry at least 4 5 people from your party or your team. You have to publish their number, yeah, or you can even create a banner for that, right?
Hmm.
And then you can say, "Ki, now you have heard me. Do you want to change your nation? Do you want crime free Bharat? Do you want Jana corruption free Bharat? Do you want tax free Bharat? Do you want Joanna freedom from colonial rule? Do you want freedom from the administrative and judicial system which is of the colonial legacy? If you want, do you want to be Joanna behind the curtain or in front of the curtain? If you want to behind the curtain, because then you have to simply add 90 people, and when that Chandragupta will be notified, you have to take a pledge that he is my Chandragupta and I am going to vote for him. Are you getting me?
Ha, sir.
And we will complete the codal formality on of all expected Chandragupta because we cannot wait. So Chandragupta will be maybe declared later till the date of the withdrawal. And the expected Chandragupta, they will complete the paper formality and then paper will be submitted.
Hmm.
Are you getting my point?
Ha, sir.
Rather, the final list will be drawn at the time of the withdrawal. because we are already too late. And you are saying कि 5 दिन और खराब कर दो. Why we should spend 5 more days?